This is not this week's video. It's a trick of the mind. This is a little teaser really for this week's video, because the 59 Cadillac is this week's video and you're going to see this tomorrow. It's a monster video. It's over an hour long and I'm still in, well, it's yet to be finished, but it will be finished, and I've got a piece of video together. It leaves here on a flatbed truck around about the time you're watching this to go over to Empire Automotive for ceramic guard and coating. But sometimes, as we said before, things just align. And last week at Mildenhall, a UK banger racing circuit, a 59 Cadillac Coupe de Ville was banger raced. And predictably, this caused outrage amongst some communities and pure joy with others. And I thought, as this ties in with the completion of this Cadillac Coupe de Ville, we'd do a little video on that, which also advertises our main video for this. The Cadillac that went round looked amazing, and the photographs that went out before it was raced of this shiny black 59 with beautiful chrome work on it really triggered quite a few people, I think. And we have touched on this before in a previous banger races type video. The banger boys loved it. The classic car enthusiast said sacrilege, what a waste, and so on and so forth. And there's a few comments about how much of a waste it is and how you've got to have deep pockets to restore one. I don't know why the compressor's so loud today. I'll have a look in a minute. And as we are nearing the completion of this, we can stand here and say, and I'm not going to divulge details, that's David and Kirsty's business, not yours. Not mine, I don't know. He spent quite a bit of money on parts and so on as well. But a rusty 59 Cadillac will consume a huge amount of hours, which is a huge amount of money if you're paying someone else to do it. This car has consumed a phenomenal amount of money to get back to what you see now. And this was quite a good one. And I know the car that was raced, I don't know much about it, but I've been told it was an absolute basket case of a car that the builders spent hours and hours and hours and hours welding together, covering in filler and making look like a really sharp car, which was a complete lie. It wasn't a sharp car. It was a rotten old piece of junk. And if you look at some of the photographs, you can see that it's right-hand drive because it's sat on a Jag chassis with Jag running gear, Jag engine. It's just a really rusty 59 shaped body sat on a chassis. And a lot of the chrome work as well was taken off. So there's a promo shot, loads of amazing bright work on it, but when you actually see the car on track, a lot of the trim and the lights and so on have all been taken off. And the chrome that is on the car is really quite horrible as well. So it's all trickery, and fair play to them, you know. Banger racing, I've said this before, is not for me. I look at that and as an old man I think, all my back, why would you want to do that? But those that do love it, so fair play to them. And it puts on a spectacle and a good sport. But the reason this sort of gained attention is it was the first 59 Coupe de Ville in the UK to have been raced. There's been 3 other 59s recently raced, be it 4 doors, there's a limo, I think. And I found some photographs of one of the 4 doors that had been raced, and I'll put them up on screen. The car was an absolute wreck. They've cobbled together and fashioned up wings. The chassis snapped in half, and they've made box sections and things. No one would have restored that car. It was an absolute junker that has been fashioned together to create sport, entertainment, which some of you may disagree with the fact it's a sport or whatever, but it is an entertainment form. The builders spend a lot of time building this and then smash it all up, and that's their business, absolutely their business. The 59 Coupe de Ville, all those bits of stainless and the chrome and the bright work and so on, went up onto Facebook Marketplace, I think, and was sold. So, you know, the trim has gone on to be reused on good cars to improve and better some good cars. So, as I say, this is purely just a timing thing and a little advert so that those that enjoyed the 59 being destroyed, those that were outraged by the 59 being destroyed, tune in tomorrow. This is going to be a 1 o'clock Saturday release video. So tune in tomorrow and we'll have the final part of this before it goes off to Empire for ceramic coating. And then you can also look back through the many other sections of the channel where this is featured, just to see how much work, how much effort goes in to restoring a rotten 50s American car. And then maybe question what a waste it is that a really bad one got smashed up for other people's enjoyment. That's it. Tune in tomorrow, see the 59 finished, hopefully.